Hey, so I want to congratulate you. You have finished this program. Now, I'm going to give you a few questions. I want you to answer. They're multiple choice. Yeah, they're going to be simple. They're going to be one from every pillar of my program. Remember the four pillars? Nutrition, the workouts, supplements, and the mindset. Four pillars that will keep you in shape for the rest of your life, okay? Have those and you'll be good. So again, congratulations. Up next is the little exam. Just a few questions, not hard, just fundamental things that I want you to know as you have completed this exam, this program. And always feel free to reach out to me, send me an email, give me your testimonial, like, hey, I lost 30 pounds, right? Or like, I lost 15 pounds, I thought I could never do it. Whatever it was, whatever helped you, let me know, okay? I want to hear about you. All right, congratulations again, and have a beautiful day.